I spent 6 months analyzing why most entrepreneurs fail. And the answer is it is not what you think. It is not about motivation, hustle, or working 80 hours a day. If you are watching this, you are probably consuming content about building wealth or starting a business or maybe even fantasizing about the exit strategy. But here is the truth no one tells you. You are probably doing everything backwards. I'm Hamza, and on this channel, we don't sugarcoat. We give you the real blueprints to build actual wealth. Today, I'm breaking down three fundamental mistakes that keep 99% of entrepreneurs broke, and the exact reframes which separates the millionaires from the mediocre. So, let's get into it. Mistake number one: you are building solutions, not selling outcomes. And this is massive. You are obsessed with building the perfect product instead of selling the transformation. Here is what I see everywhere. Someone spends 8 months building AI tools from 47 features, launches it and crickets. Why so? Because nobody buys feature. They all buy outcome. Let me give you the real example. So two people are building the AI automate. Person A says, my SaaS has machine learning, API integrate, and a beautiful dashboard. Person B says, I will save your company 20 hours per week, cut operational cost by 40%. So, who do you think gets the sale? Person B every single time. Stop asking what features I can add. Start asking what outcome am I selling. Your customer doesn't care about your technology. They care about getting their time back, making more money, or looking good in front of their boss. Sell that. Mistake number two, you are playing the wrong game. You are competing in saturated markets with the same playbook with as everyone else. Look, I love AI automations. I love SaaS, but here is the thing. There are 10,000 other people launching the same AI automation, email automation, or AI content generation right now. So how do you win? You don't play their game, you create your own. Instead of asking what is trending, ask what is underserved. Where is gap in the market which no one else is doing that? Here is what I mean. Everyone is building AI chatbots for customer service, but the real opportunity is AI automations for local dentists who don't even know what API means. The riches is in the niches which nobody talks about in Twitter. Find the boring, unsexy industries that are 10 years behind on technologies. That is where the real money is. And here is the kicker. These businesses will pay you 10x more because you are solving the real pain, not just jumping on the trends. Mistake number 3. You are waiting to feel ready. And this one hits different. You are consuming instead of creating. You are watching videos like this one, reading books, taking courses, waiting until you know enough to start. But that day never comes. I am going to be blunt with you. The person who is going to beat you is not smarter than you. They are not more talented. They just started before you did. So stop optimizing for knowledge, start optimizing for feedback. Identify one problem you can solve. Reach out to 10 potential customers. Offer to solve it manually before you build anything. Not in a month, not when you finish learning Python. Now. Because here is what happens. You will learn more from one real conversation with your customer than from 100 hours of YouTube tutorials. You will understand what they actually need, what they will pay for, and what you should build. Successful people have shorter feedback loops. They fail faster, learn faster, and iterate faster. Look, I started this channel because I genuinely believe anyone watching this can build serious wealth. Not fake it till you make it wealth. Real generation wealth. But it requires you to think differently than 99% of people out there.